Welcome back to the garage. I'm sure everybody's had their scenario of being in an auction and anticipating to buy one thing and end up with something else. I went to this auction to buy a Ford Bronco and I ended up getting a 1950s Towmotor forklift and a 1987 Mazda B2000. The little forklift I bought has sit for a long time. I bought it without it running naturally. My bright idea was to drag it off on some hoods down here, down in my field, to keep it up off the ground, but that didn't work out very well. This little thing, I have no idea how much it weighs, but it was just about every bit of what my winch on my rollback would pull. And I'm not really sure what the weight limit is on my winch. Whenever I bought it, I never got any paperwork, and I bought it from the owner's son after the man that had it passed away, so the son had no idea, what the truck would actually haul. This little thing didn't want to roll very well, and it gave the old rollback a workout. But as you can see, it's got a little four-cylinder Continental engine in it. And like I said, I bought it sight unseen, not running, kind of sitting in the weeds. And as I was loading it up, one of the family members came up and said that the thing actually did run. It just sat there because the clutch was stuck on it. The man told me that they used it around their property, and anytime they needed to stop, they just shut it off since the clutch was stuck. But as you can see, it's actually not that bad a shape. I would assume it's 1950s. It may be older or maybe a little newer than that, but as you can see also, I got this little Mazda, and like I said, I think it's an 86, 87. I'll have to check the title again on it. Clear title. The interior, headliner and everything, is pretty much immaculate in this thing. Now, the truck had a wrist pin knocking, making noise in the bottom end, so it was parked. But I figure maybe it's worth fixing up eventually, getting around to it. I would imagine maybe pick and pull or salvage yard like that, you could probably get a motor fairly cheap for it. It's got a 5-speed transmission. Truck actually rolled and come up on the rollback bed really easy. And yeah, I just figured I'd throw a video out there. I haven't done one in a couple weeks. I've had a few problems with the rear end in that other truck going in. I've got the rear end in there, but I'm having a problem with getting the brakes bled on it. Had to end up putting a new master cylinder on it, and you can see the old blue crew cab lawn art sitting down here. One of these days I'll get to messing around on it. But I figured I'd throw this video out there and give me a little bit of time getting this other truck done, and we'll be getting back to the crew cab project. And thanks for watching. I've got a lot of other neat projects coming up that you don't want to miss out on. Leave a comment down below, and I hope to see you next time.